Hello everyone, this is Annie from Veaqee Miccell company. Recently, we launched many new speakers. Today, I would like to show you this waterproof speaker. It has two colors, black one and the blue one. It's our logo Miccell, and you can put on this to change the colors. It's very exquisite and high-end appearance design. It's 20-watt speaker. The sound quality is very good, and it has 3 hours playback time. It's ideal for all kinds of outdoor activities. Now let me show you it. You can connect it to 2 speakers.
Putting my baggage on the shelf.
TNT exclusive, baby. Glamorous.
Sounds very good, right? And we also made many stuff for our Miccell logo. We can support you to take a small quantity to test the quality and market. Are you interested in? Please contact me now. Thank you.